So my question for you is this: are you being intentional with your time? Because at the end of the day, time is the most valuable currency that any of us have. So are you embracing the moments that you have? Are you projecting into the future and really getting intentional with the direction that you're heading for your life? Now, if you're anything like me, you probably have a ton of different goals and ideas and dreams and visions that you want to accomplish, right? But if you're trying to focus on all these different activities all at once, you will accomplish absolutely nothing. So the reason for jotting down all the goals, all the dreams, all of your future visions is so that you get clarity on everything that you have in your sight, right? But instead of trying to eat the whole elephant, the goal is to identify those top 3 bullet points that you can put in front of you every single day and create an action plan on how you plan to accomplish them, right? So once you've identified the 3 areas, the 3 bullet points inside of your calendar, your journal, your goal setting book, you can start creating an action plan on how you plan to accomplish it. Instead of stretching it out an entire 12 months, Pareto's principle says that a task will be completed inside of the time allotted for that task. Now think about a college student who's cramming for a test. Well, in most cases, that college student likely had 2, 3 to 4 weeks to plan and prepare for this test. But we know human nature in many cases will wait to the very last day, very last night before that test and just cram as much information as you possibly can, right? So the time that was allotted, Pareto's principle says that it's crammed and it will extend to the end of the time that's given for that task. So again, thinking about 12 months and compressing that time into quarterly tasks or quarterly game plans, it gives you the ability to accomplish far more inside of that time frame than most people will accomplish in an entire year. But it takes focus, it takes intention, and you have to really buckle down and get clarity with where you're going into the future. So my question for you is this: are you being intentional with your time? Because at the end of the day, time is the most valuable currency that any of us have. So are you embracing the moments that you have? Are you projecting into the future and really getting intentional with the direction that you're heading for your life? Or are you just cruising on autopilot, going through the motions, doing the same things that you always done, getting the same things that you've always got? Nothing changes unless you make it. And my best encouragement for you is to be intentional, put first things first, and get clear with your vision.